Today I'm going to do a cold start video of my 2007 Harley-Davidson Softail Custom FXSTC Cobalt Blue. Here we go. It's a simpler process than the other bikes because it's fuel injected. No carburetor, no choke, no enricher. The bike has a computer, takes care of all of those things. You unlock it, then you make sure the kill switch is in the run position. This would be kill, this is run, and then this is the start button. Turn the ignition on, the neutral light comes on. That means you can start it. Here we go. I'm going to push the button. Turned it off so that I can tell you a little bit about the bike. It's the 2007 Harley-Davidson Softail Custom. The engine in this motorcycle is the 96 cubic inch twin cam engine. Fuel injected, as I said, so no carburetor. It's got a fuel injection system, a fuel pump, and a brain, a computer. That's how you can just start this bike up. If it's cold or hot, hop on it and go down the road, which is what it likes to do the best. This is my touring bike. It's definitely for me, a long distance touring bike. Harley-Davidson has real touring bikes. One of the older touring bikes was called the Road King. Great touring bike. But when I'm going down the road on this thing, I feel like I'm king of the road. I'll tell you